Hi there! So Noise has gone all guns blazing with their newly launched Noise Colorfit Pro 3 Alpha. Yeah, these names have to get shorter. It gets very confusing and sometimes even harder to remember. Anyway, I've been wearing this watch for a couple of days and one thing I can say for sure that this is one of Noise's most ambitious smartwatches. Hands down. So it comes with Bluetooth calling, then you get 100 sports modes, it comes with built-in Alexa, then you can store 80 MP3 songs on the watch itself. You can even connect Bluetooth earphones to the watch and listen to music without needing to carry your phone with you. Well, that sounds almost perfect, but there is this one feature that makes it fall short. Don't worry, I'll tell you everything, the good, the not so good, so keep watching to know it all. We'll start with a quick unboxing followed by a review. So let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Colorfit Pro 3 Alpha. Now you can see we have two units. The one on the left is actually smoky blue. The one on the right is mist grey. You can see it comes with the Alexa logo right at the bottom. Then towards the back you can see a list of its features and there are tons of them. We'll cover them in detail in this video. Then below you can see the QR code for the Noisefit app. It's available for both Android and iOS. Alexa logo again. And towards the bottom here you can see some manufacturing details and the MRP of 8,999. But don't worry, you can get this for a lot lesser. Alright, let's quickly open it up. So right on the top, lots of paperwork. You have the Noise stickers, then you have the registration warranty card and the user manual for the Colorfit Pro 3 Alpha. Then just below that is the watch itself. It's such a beautiful color. And of course, finally, the magnetic proprietary charging cable. And we'll check out the gray one as well. And I'm sure we have the exact same things. And here are the papers, the stickers, the warranty card and the user manual. The watch itself, wow, this too looks really nice. And finally, the magnetic charging cable. All right, let's have a closer look at the watch. We'll start with this blue and rose gold. And the first thing to notice is that this comes with a buckle and loop design. There you go. It's kind of a new design, soft silicone straps. And also another thing to notice is that this blue comes with a rose gold finish. And the loop itself is also rose gold. The buckle itself is rose gold. Very, very nice. Really well built. And it's a very beautiful blue color. It's not light blue, it's not teal. It's like powder blue, if I might call it. Looks really nice. Let's get rid of the sticker on the top. And the frame is made of polycarbonate, but the build quality is amazing. Really, really nice. You can also spot the speaker here. Towards the other side, you can see there's a single button with a microphone here. And actually there's a microphone, even one more here. I believe these two are mics which will help for phone call noise cancelling, which is really, really good. So if you move towards the back is made of plastic and you can spot the sensors here, the heart rate sensor, the SpO2 sensor, and this one is actually the body temperature sensor. Damn good. Here is the charging terminals and these straps too can be replaced with third-party bands. Just pull the hook to release and you can buy many straps, whether they're leather straps, buckle straps, metal straps, so many types of straps from the Noise website. I'll link it down below in the description. You should check it out. By the way, this is 22mm straps. Alright, we'll have a look at the silver one meanwhile. So the grey watch actually comes with a silver frame, silver buckle, coordinated, really nice, soft silicone straps. Let's get rid of the sticker here as well. There you go, check that out, wow. Now, as I mentioned, this is polycarbonate, but the build quality is very, very nice. You can spot the speaker here. On the other side, the single button, there's a microphone here. Now moving towards the back, plastic body, same sensors, body temperature sensor, charging terminals, and these straps too can be replaced by pulling the hook from here. Alright, let's quickly pair it. So first thing, you go to the Play Store and download the Noisefit Assist app. I've already downloaded it. This app is also available for iOS devices. Now you'll come to the home page, click on Add Devices, and first thing you can see here, the Noisefit Assist app, because this watch is actually already turned on. And you can see the name show up. You click here, it'll pair, and there you go, it's done. So after you're done pairing, what you need to do is come into devices and right here below you will see Alexa, which is not logged in. You click on this, log in with Amazon, then you have to log in with your Amazon ID and password. Make sure you enter the same login details if you have other Alexa devices so that the paired devices work seamlessly. And there you see Noise Pro 3 Alpha with Alexa built in, log in with Amazon. There you go, now it's showing logged in. So now if we take our device and we go to the Alexa app, what's the weather in Mumbai?
Currently, in Mumbai, it's 33 degrees Celsius with fog.
What is $100 in Indian rupees?
$100 is about 7,625.
So the best part is that Alexa answers by voice on your watch, which is great. Sadly, you cannot ask Alexa to play music on your watch, and my guess is that would drain the battery of the watch in just a few hours. So logically, by not playing music, it does make sense. Also, you can control Alexa smart home devices directly from your wrist. Check this out. Turn off the studio light. Turn on the studio light. Works perfectly. Remember, for this to work, the watch has to be paired with the phone, and the phone should have an active internet connection. Now, if you want to make phone calls from your watch, you go into the menu, you go into the Noise Buzz suite, and inside here you'll find frequent contacts, dial pad, call history. Now, if you go to the dial pad, I'll just randomly dial a number, and there you go. You can actually see the call from here. And the thing is, right now what you're hearing is from the speaker on the watch, and it's quite clear. Similarly, when you receive a phone call on your watch, you can see the caller's name. You have an option to answer the call or reject the call. Now, if you answer the call, you can actually hear the person talking. There's a mute button here for the microphones, as well as you can end the call directly from here. Super convenient. Also, another amazing feature is that you can save MP3 songs on your watch directly. Yes, and you can transfer them from the phone. All you need to do is go to this music app, and right here below you can find add music. Now, these are the MP3 songs that are actually on my phone. Now, for example, if I want to copy a song, I click on Block Party. For example, I click on Finish and click Yes. And here you'll see that the song is now being transferred to the watch. Basically, now you can listen to music directly from your watch without need to carrying your phone with you. And there you go, it's done. Then you take your watch, you come to the music app here, click on these three buttons, and you'll find Watch Music. Click on that. Then you click down here, you can see Block Party. Click. So this music actually is playing on the speaker of the watch. You can shuffle, you can mix, you can see the playlist, you can stop, you can go to the next track. And my favorite part is Bluetooth earphones. Now I'm using these earphones, and you can see noise flare. Click, and there you go. Your earphones are now connected to the watch via Bluetooth. So now you can wear your earphones and listen to music directly from your watch. No need to carry your phone with you at the gym for music and for workout tracking. Super cool. Alright, let's have a look at the main deal, the display. So we get a 1.69-inch TFT LCD display, and the color reproduction is pretty decent. I mean, it's not as vibrant as we see with AMOLED displays, but it's pretty okay. Also, the touch is a little hit or miss. You know, sometimes it works really well, while sometimes the touch is a little finicky. I think that can be fixed with an update. It seems like a software glitch, but overall good. Blacks are pretty decent. And if you look at this watch face, you'll get a rough idea of where the bezels are. It's almost bezel-less on the three sides and a little noticeable bezel at the bottom. And you can change watch faces by swiping on the home page. Very easy to use. There you go. Lots and lots of colorful watch faces, analog, digital. So if you swipe from up, you can access notification and missed call alerts. Swipe from down, you can access quick toggles, do not disturb, raise the wrist, mute, and find my phone, brightness, torch, alarms, music, settings, and Alexa. Then you press this button on the side to access the menu. You get the noise health suite. If you go in here, activity goals, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, noise detection, sleep tracking, and body temperature. Yes, skin temperature is body temperature. Then you have workouts. Then you have Alexa. Noise buzz is for the calls. Then you have the breathe app, event reminders, clock, weather, settings. You have screen on time, ringtone volume, vibration, reset. And if you swipe here, this is actually like widgets. You can see your daily activity, you can see the calls, you can see Alexa, the weather, the steps. Wow, that's a very, very nice interface. Really, really nice idea. So overall, the interface is nice. I just wish it was a little more smoother and a little more responsive, but apart from that, it's pretty good. And there you go, finally wearing the watch, and let me tell you, it provides a very, very good fit, and the reason is it's got a buckle as well as a loop, which is why it stays really firm in your hand, also feels really light and comfortable. Now let's check out the raise the wrist to wake the display. Okay, that took like a second. Let's check again. Okay, that was faster. Okay, so raise the wrist to wake the display is definitely not the fastest, but yes, the good thing is that it works every time without fail. Yeah, works perfectly fine. Alright, let's check out the health monitoring sensors, and what better than starting with heart rate. And there you go, we got 68-70 beats per minute. Okay, moving back, let's check out the SpO2. Wear the watch correctly. I'm already wearing it properly. Okay, let's rest the hand on the table. My God, it's not able to detect my hand. It seemed to be not reading properly, so I thought I'll tighten the watch strap a little. And no. So for some reason, the watch isn't measuring the blood oxygen levels. Not working. Okay, let's check out stress levels. And there you go, we get 48. Then of course there is also noise detection. So as you see, it's getting louder, so that's really good, seems to be working just fine. And finally, skin temperature. Wear this device for over 5 minutes before making a measurement. So for some unknown reasons, I couldn't get the SpO2 readings. Maybe it's because of the hair on my wrist, but it's hard to figure. However, all health monitoring features seem to provide accurate readings. But I always say this, use it just for reference and not for medical purposes. Alright, time to talk about the workouts. So this watch comes with 100 workout modes. Let's check out outdoor run, outdoor walk, hiking, cycling indoor and outdoor. There's cricket, there's even pool swimming, there's even open water swimming, there's yoga, there's elliptical training, there's others, there's functional strength, there's core training, there's stepper, there's cool down, there's dance, and there's a long list. Now if you want to start your workout, you click on it, there'll be a countdown. You can see there's a time, the calories burned, the distance, the pace, the heart rate, aerobic training effect, and all the details right here. If you want to play music, you can actually play the music directly from the workout app. And if you want to turn off your workout, you come here and you end your workout. There you go. And we also tested notification alerts. You receive them instantaneously on the watch. There you go. Here's a WhatsApp notification. You can see the sender's name as well as you can read the message directly here. There is no way to reply to it. However, you can only dismiss it. Alright, talking about the battery. Well, we don't have the exact size of the battery, but Noise claims it should last for about 5 days with typical use. Keep in mind, battery life will vary depending on your use. Phone calls, offline music, display brightness, workout, health monitoring sensors, notification. But I can still say even if you're using all of these together, you should get about 2 to 3 days. Let's have a quick look at the companion app. Now right on the top, you can see your daily activity of steps, calories burnt, your workout, the times you've stood up, the distance, the steps, the sleep tracking, your weight, SpO2, exercise, stress levels, your skin temperature, ambient sound levels. If you come into exercise, you can actually use your phone's GPS to track your workouts, and you can use it for outdoor run, outdoor walking, outdoor biking, hiking. So it's really helpful that you can use GPS even though the watch doesn't have one. You can use it with this app. Very helpful. Then coming into devices, right on the top, you can see the devices paired, the battery percentage. You can see the watch face market. If you click on more, you can see all the watch faces here. Then you can see some more here. Oh my God, that's a huge collection. You click on one and you click install. And there you go, the new watch face is updated. Similarly, there's so many more that you can download from here. Huge collection of watch face, including a custom watch face, which also can be set. So if you're someone who loves a lot of watch faces, don't worry, Noise has got you covered there. Then if you come down here, notifications, you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then you can set alarms, you can set the time directly from here. Calls can be enabled for the watch. If you want to disable them, you can disable them from here. Health tracking, if you go in here, you can see heart rate, stress, SpO2, drink water, can be enabled and disabled depending on your preference. Further down, event reminders, music, where you can toggle music controls on and off, display song info, and from here you can upload songs to the watch. Then coming back, you have Alexa, it's logged in, In more settings, you have do not disturb, intelligent exercise recognition, which is enabled, which means when you're doing your walking or running, it'll auto recognize and keep that as a workout. Very nice. Auto pause is also there, auto end, raise to wake, find phone, weather notification, world clock, automatic brightness at night, widgets, device language, and finally if you come back in my, here you can see all the other details which you can set. So I can really say that the Noisefit Assist app has got a lot better, easy to use and understand. Alright, talking about the cons. Well, for me the only shortcoming is probably the lack of an AMOLED display, and having that would have totally changed the game. We would have got better viewing experience and even better battery life. But that would have also escalated the price of the watch, so probably Noise decided to go with the TFT LCD display. The Colorfit Pro 3 Alpha is priced at 5,500 and that's just an introductory price. In a few days it would go up to 6,000 rupees. Now the question is it worth it? Well, the way I look at it is that the Colorfit Pro 3 Alpha is far from perfect, but it gets so much packed in one device that no one offers. Here's the question for you. How many smartwatches in the market offer built-in Alexa, offline music storage on the watch, Bluetooth earphone connectivity, Bluetooth phone calling, body temperature sensor, noise detection for 5,500? Maybe none. So if all those features excite you, then you should definitely go ahead and buy it. The watch will be going on sale tomorrow, 25th of March at 12 p.m. I'll leave the links for all the colors in the description. If you like to buy one, grab it at the introductory price. Trust me, it's a really good deal. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.